Today's topic for discussion is underground plant stem modifications. There are several types of modifications are present in stem of the plant. Next, in case of certain herbaceous flora, the stem of the plant develops below the soil surface. Such type of stems termed as underground stem. During unfavorable environmental conditions, the stems survive in soil in dormant condition. It do not get vanished. When the environmental factors becomes favorable, the dormant stem becomes active and germinate to produce aerial shoots. The underground stems are mostly thick, irregular in shape. Next. The important function of underground stem is storage of the food material that retains the plant in soil during unfavorable environmental conditions and takes part in vegetative reproduction. The underground stems possesses scaly leaves, scars on the stem, sprouting buds, axillary buds, nodes and internodes. All these structures are present on occurs on underground stem. In certain underground stems like ginger, adventitious roots arise from nodal region which are inserted in soil. Next. These are the different underground stem modifications discussed here, and the type of stem modification, that is tuber, rhizome, corm, bulb, tunicated bulb, all these are the underground stems. Next, scaly or imbricate bulb, pseudobulb, pseudostem, sobole, all these are the modified stems. Next, what is tuber? It is a solan underground stem. Tuber possesses a scaly leaves, eyes, nodes and internodes. The tubers do not produce adventitious roots and hence tubers are different than the rhizomes. The solan tubers possesses nodes and scaly leaves. Some buds are present in the axils of scaly leaves. Buds grow into aerial branches. Adventitious roots absent in tubers. The tubers are solid, they are thick, they are irregularly shaped underground stems, and these are also used as vegetative propagation. The tubers are developed from rhizome of parental plant by activation of axillary buds. The tubers may be underground or aerial. The stem modified to tuber-like structure for storage of food and survival purpose during drought conditions. The example is potato. Next. This is the rhizome. It is one of the modified stem again. This is a modified and underground stem, especially for the storage of the food. It is also termed as horizontal stem. In absence of favorable environmental conditions, the rhizome remains in the dormant condition under soil surface. The rhizomes produce adventitious roots. The rhizome grows by the activation of lateral buds. Such type of rhizome is also termed as sympodial rhizome. Next. This is also one of the modified stem, that is corm. There are many buds occur on the surface of the corm. The buds originated from the axil of scaly leaves. These buds produce daughter corms at the basal region or on the lateral side of the parental corm. The corm is a highly condensed form of rhizome. It also produces adventitious roots. The example is colocasia. Corm is a food storing organ. It is a type of rhizome which is stout, fleshy, solid, brown in color. It is an underground stem. It is modified stem. It grows vertically under soil surface, having more diameter than its length. Externally, corm shows horizontal circular lines. These circular lines are the nodes on which numerous scales like leaves are grown. The buds are situated in the axils of scaly leaves which grow into new corm. The adventitious roots develop from the undersurface of the node. The terminal bud is compulsory present in corms. which grow into aerial branch. It has a apical bud situated at the apex of the comb, which produces shoot, leaves and flowers. The comb is shorter than its diameter. The example is colocasia. It is a corm, corm, corm. Next. Bulb, it is also an underground stem modification. The term bulb is used for highly reduced stem and fleshy, scaly, overlapped leaves together. A bulb possesses a lower round disc from which a cluster of roots arise. The disc is highly condensed flat stem. In this case, actual stem is highly reduced, which appear like a disc as in onion. Such a disc-like stem is enveloped by numerous fleshy leaves. Many supporting roots arise from the lower region of the disc-like stem. The bulbs develop after 3 to 4 months of flowering of plants. The fleshy scale leaf overlaps on each other in imbricate manner and produces a bulb as in onion. At the apex of the disc-like stem, a apical bud is situated which grows into aerial shoot which bears flowers. Next. The bulbs, it is a modified stem, but there are two types of bulbs. First is tunicate bulb and second is imbricate bulb or scaly bulb. Tunicate bulb. What is tunicate bulb? In this case, the arrangement of the leaves appear like a concentric ring in transverse section. The leaves may be thick, underground, which store water. Such bulbs are termed as tunicate bulb. For example, the onion. Next. This is the example of scaly or imbricate bulb. The scaly leaves in the bulbs are not compactly arranged and as in onion, but these are arranged loosely like petals of the flower. In garlic, fleshy scales are called garlic cloves. Okay, next. All these are the different underground stem modifications. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.